Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to mark weekend Saturday, Sunday in a date column. Okay. For example, I have a date here and I want to put comments here. I want to prepare a Excel sheet where I want to put date and comments. Okay. So but I do this is a daily worksheet, so I don't work on Saturday and Sunday, right? So Saturday, Sunday I want to mark with the color. Okay, so let's see how to do with conditional formatting in Excel. Okay, let's take some days here. So 11th Jan 25 is today is 11th Jan 25. Okay, so take the column of dates, right? Then go to conditional formatting. Okay, then new rule, go to format, use formula to determine which cells to format. So formula, go to formula, then write formula weekday. Okay, weekday, and take the first cell of column from where this formula should begin. So that is the A2, right? So dollar A2 comma 2, okay, greater than 5. So what is comma 2? I'll explain. Comma 2 means from Monday 1 and up to Sunday 7. Okay, that is comma 2. So I'll explain what is that after this formatting. So let's go to format and we'll take this color. Okay, then click on OK. Then you will get this formatting. So we have to see where this entire formula is applied to the which cells. This is the applied cells. Okay, so you select applied cell like this. Okay, applied cell up to end of the column, then click on this button. So this formula applies to A2 to A106. Okay, so apply this and click on OK. So you'll get all these weekends in the colors. So what is that comma 2 in the formula is, that is, if you see the Microsoft documentation here, 2 is numbers 1 Monday through 7 Sunday. So 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, like that up to 7 equal to Sunday. So I have given the comma 2 greater than 5, right? Okay, A2 comma 2 greater than 5. Greater than 5 means 6 and 7. So 6 is Saturday and 7 is Sunday. Okay guys. So if you see the Excel sheet, this all 6 Saturday and Sunday are marked with colors. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Excel tricks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.